And there are a number of factors that suppress trauma stories. In my newest book, Trauma and the Struggle to Open Up, in chapter 3, I talk a lot about family secrecy. Family secrecy is a powerful motivator, and it's absolutely linked with attachment, in the sense that clients will seek protection from their attachment figure, or children will seek protection from their attachment figure. Adults, when the caregiving system is activated, will seek to protect the child. And so there's a lot in it for the family to try to create some kind of homeostasis and safety. Sometimes, in order to have that sense of homeostasis and safety, it requires eschewing all kinds of things that are a threat to that safety. And sometimes the truth is a threat to that safety.